Hey my lovelies, hi Polumi here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I have come up with yet another holiday special look. This look is purely a holiday glam, like a classic holiday glam look, where I have created this particular easily achievable and highly wearable look, which is basically very glam, but at the same time it looks like you have put on a lot of effort to do this particular look, but it actually can be created in 5 minutes. So yeah, today I'm just going to show you guys how to achieve this particular base makeup look and this particular eye makeup look. Yes, you heard it right. I am not only going to show you guys how to achieve this particular eye makeup look, but also in this video I'm just going to show you guys how to achieve like the base and the eye. Like, you know, this is going to be like an entire sit down and chit chat play makeup with me, guys. So yeah, this is it for like today's intro. Now let's not waste your time and dive into the video. So now as you can see that I have come totally barefaced. I have just done my brows, so I'm just going to start today's makeup from the scratch, and by scratch I mean like applying my moisturizer. Let us get back to the basics. I'm just going to, you know, this is going to be more of a chit-chatty video where I'm just going to, you know, play around with some makeup, and I'm just going to, you know, show you guys how to achieve like a very simple holiday glam that you would love to wear. So yeah, I'm just taking the Nivea cream, and like this particular cream over here is just my cult favorite when it comes to applying makeup. So I just take a spoon, and this spoon is by the way from Laneige. This one does not come with a stick or a spatula like that, but yeah, I just want to, you know, use a spatula. So yeah, I'm just going to press it into my skin just like that. And yeah, this is how I prefer applying my moisturizer before going on towards any makeup. So when I'm done with the moisturizer, I'm just going to take this Smashbox Minimize Pore Primer. This is a pore minimizing primer which looks like this. So I'm just going to use this onto my face, and I'm just going to press it on my face. So now when I'm done with the primer, I'm just going to go towards my concealer. Yes, I'm just going to start with my concealer. I'm just going to take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, which is basically this one, and it is in the shade Golden Beige. So I'm just going to use this beautiful concealer over here. I am in just love with this particular concealer. So all the products that I'm going to use today are going to be my cult favorite, because yeah, that's the reason, you know, I am definitely choosing those products for this particular video. So when I do my makeup, I prefer going with my brushes, and at the end when I am done with the entire base, I just go ahead with my sponges. So now as you can see that I'm done with the concealer. Please do not judge the way I am looking. So you need to trust the process when you are doing a base makeup. So I'm just going to go towards my foundation, and for today the foundation that I'm using is my Estee Lauder Stay in Place Double Wear Foundation, which is basically this one. It is in the shade Cashew. So yeah, this is the foundation that I'm going to use today. I just love using this foundation. My god, this looks so good on camera, in person. Like, you tell me to choose one foundation and I'm just going to pick this one forever. So I'm just going to take it onto the back of my hand. This is how the foundation looks like, and I have given it a good shake. I do not need that much of foundation. So yeah, I am taking the amount I need, and then I'm just going to take my flat brush, and I'm just going to dab the foundation onto my entire skin. So when you start with your concealer and then you go on towards your foundation, what happens is you just end up using way lesser foundation. Trust me when I say that, and I have learned that, like, you know, throughout all these years. So now when you can see that I'm done with my concealer and my foundation, I'm just going to go towards my cream contour. For that I used my Makeup Revolution foundation stick, which is basically this one over here, and it is in the shade F14. I'm just going to use this particular thingy over here, and I'll start contouring my face to add those depth and dimension onto my skin. Now I'm just going to take my brush, and I'm just going to start dabbing it into my skin. I am again going to use my dabbing motion, and I'm just going to press it into my skin. So yeah, that is what I'm doing right now, and I am not buffing it out, because if I start buffing it out, what will happen is it will just, you know, spread all over the face, and we just do not want that. So keeping your brush, like holding your brush into like in this 45-degree angle, and you just need to start keep pressing it into your skin. And always remember that you do not want to go down this line. I'm going towards my jawline, and I am just, you know, dabbing it into my skin. So now as you can see that I'm done with that cream contour, so I'm just going to go ahead and set everything, lock everything onto my skin. So for that I'm using my K-Beauty HD Translucent Loose Powder, which is in the shade white. I'm just going to use this translucent white powder, and I'm just going to set everything into my skin. So now I'm going to just bake my under eyes. So now we will quickly start with our eye makeup, and to start with our eye makeup, first I'm just going to take my concealer brush, the one which I used, you know, to set my concealer. I'm just going to use this brush, and I'm just going to dab it over my eyelid. So the very first palette that I'm going to start off is going to be the Morphe Truth or Dare palette, which is basically this one. I hope you guys can see. So from this particular palette over here, I am going to take this beautiful shade over here, which is basically this one. So I'm just going to take this shade onto a brush, and I'm just going to take this, and I'm just going to put it all over my lid space. I'm basically taking the product directly onto my brush, and I'm just patting it on over my eyelid. I'm doing this because I need a cohesiveness going on to my lid space, and that is the reason I'm just, you know, using this color to, you know, have like a nice monochromatic vibe. So when you can see that I'm done with that shade from my Morphe palette, I'm just going to go towards my PAC Long Lasting Kohl pencil. It is in the shade Coffee Brown. So I'm just going to use this particular pencil over here, and I'm just going to start, you know, putting up like a thin little liner, like that foxy liner onto like this area, and yeah, I'm just going to do that. So now at this point, when I'm done putting on that brown pencil liner onto like this area of my eyes, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my Morphe Truth or Dare palette once again, and from this beautiful palette I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here. So I'm just going to take this shade onto a small pencil brush like this and dusting off the excess. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, you know, smudge out this particular pencil liner thingy that I have done. So as you can see that I'm just, you know, taking a tiny amount of color at a time, and I'm just, you know, blending it with this, you know, stiff pencil brush. So I'm just using a back and forth motion to get that nice and diffused blend. So now as you can see that I'm done putting on that shade and blending it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back towards the same palette. I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here, which is basically this one, a tiny amount of the shade onto my brush, dusting off the excess. So I'm just going to take this shade and I'm just going to put it onto like this outer portion of that smudged liner, so that I get that nice and diffused transition of this particular winged thingy onto my lid space, and, you know, transition and everything, so that it doesn't look like very harsh. So I'm just not using the side portion, I'm just using the top portion to blend this shade. So now as you can see, I'm like done with the third shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go towards this particular palette. I'm just going to take this shimmery shade over here, which is basically this one. So as you can see, this is how the shade looks like. This is quite blinding. So I'm just going to take this shade onto my finger, and I'm just going to start applying it onto my lid space. So now as you can see that I'm done with that metallic shade onto my lid space. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some liner. So today I'm using my L'Oreal Signature Matte Liner. It is in the shade Signature Brown. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to take this one and I'm just going to draw a nice thin liner. So now as you can see that I'm done with that liner, so I'm just going to go ahead with my concealer, and taking my concealer, I'm just going to clean up this particular area over here. So now at this point, when I'm done with cleaning my edges, so I'm just going to go back towards the brush which I used to smudge that liner. So I'm just going to take that brush and I'm just going to slightly, smudge my lower lash line with whatever product it's left. That is going to be enough for my lash line, because I do not want it to be too much, but at the same time I want it to be something. So now at this point, as you can see, that I'm almost done with this eye. So I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies and some mascara, and I'm just going to complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So now as you can see that I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye. So for my blush today, I have used my Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo, which is basically this one. It is in the shade 03. This blush is my favorite blush. This blush never fails me. Like, I just love using this particular blush over here. And for my highlighter, I have used my PAC Baked Highlighter, which is in the shade 02 Iconic. I have used this beautiful highlighter, and then that is the reason I'm just beaming through my skin, and this is the reason my cheeks are just focusing some lights on you. So yeah, this is it for my face. And on my lips today, I have used my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lip Color, which is basically in the shade Heartbreaker. So I have used this beautiful matte lip color on my lips, and this is how my makeup turned out to be. So these are the things that I did behind the camera. So I thought of just giving you a heads up of what the products I have used, and all other products will be listed down in the description box, so do not forget to check the description box. So yeah, I'm super happy with how my simple holiday glam makeup turned out to be. I hope you guys also have enjoyed watching this video as much as I have enjoyed filming this video. So yeah, if you have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and maybe subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.